Hello guys, it's Jordan or JTech and welcome back to another video. Now, we're still in the non-decorated room. I'm gonna get round to it. I always seem to be busy. So yeah, at the minute you can see like this LED strip just hanging out of nowhere. The Xbox here, because I do still want to play some kind of games. But, that being said guys, this week, at the time of recording this video, we have gained 2 subscribers. Now, I'm pretty sure both these subscribers come from Twitter, so welcome to the channel. Thank you so much for subscribing, and thank you for any pointers that you may have given me, because I have been asking for pointers on Twitter. One of them was lighting. Hopefully this lighting's a little bit better. I do want like studio light in the future, but for now, I'm just going to expose whatever natural light I can. And 2 is also audio. I'm looking into the Rode Video Mic Me, so maybe I'm going to pick that up, maybe not. If I do, you'll get a review on the channel of it guys, for anybody else who's a small content creator and doesn't want to pay a pretty penny for a big microphone. I also want to quickly address the fact that the wallet review has nearly at this time doubled the views of the introduction video. So again, thanks for viewing that video, and if you come back and you haven't hit the subscribe button yet, please do smash that subscribe button, because it really does mean a lot to me. Also follow my Twitter, because I'm so active on Twitter, and that's where I'll share everyone's channel and I'll just try and get like a little community going. So yeah, get at my Twitter guys. So moving on to today's video, we are going to be reviewing an expensive piece of tech. Now yes guys, I said that this is going to be mostly budget tech, but I believe there's one thing that you don't cheap out on. So yes guys, I believe that you should not cheap out on the mobile device that you're going to be using daily. There's definitely competitors in the market to this phone that are a lot cheaper. But to be honest, I got a really good deal on the phone for one, and I'm a little bit of a Samsung fanboy. So yeah, as soon as I got the deal that I got with this phone, it was really a no-brainer to go ahead and just purchase the phone. What we're going to do is a classic JTech review on it. We're going to get some nice shots of it. I'm going to be reviewing what I think's good, what I think's bad. Let's get into the review guys. Okay, winter is coming guys. I'm losing daylight very fast, so let's get into this review. So let's get started, as always, with the good things. It's always nice to get the good things out first, and this phone has many good things about it, such as the headphone jack. Apple fanboys just got triggered. First thing about this device is the display guys. The display is absolutely amazing. It has got packed in there a 5.8 inch AMOLED display, 2960 by 1440p, absolutely beautiful. This display paired with video enhancer, I mean, I was sitting here the other day watching some 4K resolution HDR videos on YouTube. Goodness gracious guys, the quality, it was absolutely amazing. So yeah, the 5.8 inch AMOLED display paired with video enhancer makes for an amazing watching experience on apps like YouTube and Netflix. So the next good point comes hand in hand with display, and of course guys, it's audio. Now I really don't know why everybody else isn't more excited about this, but if you scroll down from the top and scroll down again, it will open up your little settings drop down. Scroll to the left and you will see Dolby Atmos. When you turn this on guys, it enhances the audio being pushed out by the S9's top and bottom speakers for a more engaging, realistic experience while watching YouTube videos. And if you don't believe that it actually does enhance it, then just watch a YouTube video or listen to a song and just keep clicking it on and off and on and off, and you really do notice the difference. But I have found this only works with selected pair of headphones, and the AKG ones that Samsung's come with are good for this. So yeah, if you still have the AKG headphones, just try them out. Try it out guys. It's unreal. Now this one guys, admittedly, you were probably expecting. I mean, I'd be stupid if I didn't mention it, but guys, the cameras on this phone, oh my goodness. So you have that 12 megapixel rear camera with great low light performance, guys. Look at that picture on screen. I drove 2 hours for that picture, guys, so just appreciate it, just appreciate it. And then on the front, you have an 8 megapixel camera, which I am recording on right now because it's easier just to see myself. But I'm not a massive camera nerd, to be honest. I am slowly getting into cameras, but going into the little specs, if any of you photographers want to know them, I'm sorry, just go on Google, please. So this phone comes loaded with lots and lots of modes to really take use of them cameras, such as, just to name a few, food mode, sport mode, selective focus. Look at this picture I took with selective focus. Oh my, how crisp is that image, guys? Come on, how crisp is that image? And super slow mode, which is obviously a big thing this year. It's also another pretty small thing, but very, very important, makes that difference, guys, is the repositioning of the fingerprint sensor. I didn't personally have the S8. I've upgraded from the S7 to the S9, so I skipped out the S8 and the S8 Plus. I saw on the S8 that it was positioned like up to the left of the camera, and I can only imagine how horrible that was to reach up to. But this year it's in such a better place, although I haven't found myself using it too much because I'm a very, very big fan of the intelligent scan, which just works. It's so snappy. You pick up your phone, press your unlock button, look at it, and boom. Now, if you're not familiar with intelligent scan, it actually combines your face and iris scanner together for a more secure lock on your phone, so you know nobody can get in your phone. Another great thing about this is the 3000 milliamp hour battery. Yeah, to today's market, it's not exactly a massive battery to have, but I've had no problems with it because the battery optimization on this phone, how it's optimized to save battery with apps, I've never ran out of battery, and I take it work. I'm on it for, I'd say, a medium amount of time. I'm like a mediocre user, phone user. I've never ran out. I'm coming home from work. I'm leaving the house in the morning at 20 to 7, getting back for like 5:15 in the evening, and I'm having 50% battery easily. So at the minute, battery performance is not a problem. It's great. And just one last thing, I mean, I could sit here and name things all day about this phone. I'm just, obviously, if you can't tell by this video, I really do enjoy this phone. It's actually called Apps Edge. Now, if you swipe left on your device, it will actually show you some apps that you can customize. So basically, you have 6 or 12 of your favorite apps that you get to select to put on there, and you just have quick access to them. It's really, really helpful once you get into the mindset of using them. I use them all the time now. You can also scroll across and have favorite contacts, as well as scrolling across again and have Smart Select, which lets you capture a part of your screen. So you have like a circle, square, rectangle, so you can just capture bits and not capture it all. I didn't really think I'd use it, but over time I've just got used to using it, and it's just a big help. I personally use it to have like banking apps and stuff like that, but you could have all your social media there as well. Finding bad things to say about this phone for me personally was very hard, and I only managed to find one thing, and that was the placement of the Bixby button. Now, underline placement when I say that, because I really don't mind Bixby. A lot of people don't like it. It's not a popular opinion to like Bixby, but for me personally, it's been really helpful for just doing everyday tasks such as setting alarms or checking the weather. I have found myself using Bixby more, but I also have found myself, unfortunately, just clicking that button, just mistaking it for the volume button and stuff like that, guys. So yeah, I'd probably say Samsung, if you're out there, if you're listening, you're probably not. I've got, at this point, 5 subscribers, but by the way, guys, I'm very thankful for them 5 subscribers. Thank you very much for subscribing. Yeah, you could have repositioned that a little bit, guys. It's got on my nerves a little bit. So that is unfortunately all I can say about this phone. Now, I'm not even being biased because yes, I'll openly admit that I do like Samsung, and I'm not the biggest fan of Apple, but that is actually all for today, guys, because in the 2 weeks I've had this phone, I honestly haven't been able to fault it apart from the Bixby button. Now, I'm just being honest within the review. So, if you guys have £800 for a new phone or a contract upgrade soon and you were considering the S9, then I would suggest...
Do it!
Yeah.
Just do it!
Just get it, guys. It's a great phone. Now, that is all for today, guys. Thank you very much for watching. Please hit that subscribe button to make sure you don't miss any future videos, especially next week's. I'm so excited for next week's video, guys, because it's going to be a blinder. At least I'm hoping it is. I think you'll really enjoy it, so please do hit that subscribe button. Make that like button turn blue and comment down below what tech you would like me to review. I'll see you in the next one, guys.